For step 7, I'm going to divide this into two parts. The first part will be identifying the LEDs, and the second part will be soldering them. The kit includes 3 LEDs, but they're all clear, and you can't really tell what color is which, and we need to know which color is which. If you have a LED tester like one of these, that's relatively straightforward, but you probably don't. But don't worry, the kit will help you through this. Which what I do is take your battery case, probably don't have the batteries in it yet, and put your batteries in just like you would put them into any other electronics device. Close it up, and there's a little on-off switch. Turn that switch to on, and now the board is powered up. But nothing's happening. Well, nothing's happening because we don't have any LEDs to look at. Now, an LED, unlike the resistor, but like the power, has a polarity. Polarity matters. So plus and minus matters. On LEDs, the longer of the leads is the positive or the anode. So in this one, the top is the anode there, and here the bottom is the anode, just because of the way I'm holding it. To test it, we are going to use temporarily the pads that are on the board. On the board, you'll notice where the 3 LEDs go, there is a square and a circle. The square stands for positive or anode, or the long lead. So when we insert these LEDs, the long lead is going to go into the square. Now, to check the color, temporarily, when you first start this up, it powers through a night light mode, which gives these power. So I take one of my LEDs and I touch it to the 2 pads, and see that one is red. So I'm going to put that aside, and I know red. And then this one, do the same thing. So the long lead is going to be touching the square pad, and the short lead, green. Okay, that's green. And this is hopefully blue, right? By process of elimination. It sure is. So just touch the leads like that, and you'll know the color. If you have it backwards, well, you aren't going to destroy the component, but it's not going to light up. So if you find it not lighting up, you probably need to turn it around and try the other side. There's blue. Okay, now that I know that red, green, and blue, and you might mark this down on a piece of paper, now we're ready to solder the LEDs themselves.